Yes, welcome to another webinar on families in Revit from will2play.com, hosts of your focused training. See, it says so right there. So, yeah, swinging doors is the example we're using for this little session today. Why in the world would you need a door that swings? Well, there's a couple reasons. The first one's mentioned right here, a walkthrough, right? If you notice, when you place the door in Revit, here, that's when my computer was going nuts earlier. We can get rid of that. When you place a door in Revit, there's a door, and we're in Revit. Look at this. I'm sure you've probably noticed from our sessions in the past that the symbol shows what? The door is open. If I go to the 3D view, which is what's going to be represented on a walkthrough, you can see the door's closed. So if you create a walkthrough, I'll just do it real quick to show you guys. Walkthrough. There we go. There we go. We're coming. We're going to walk through our door. Right? When we're creating it, it looks like we're going to walk through an open door. However, let's see here. Where are we? If I come through here and hit play, we'll notice that I am not walking through an open door. All right? So this is just one example of why you would use what we're about to use. What if you can make a door symbol that in plan looked like it was open, but in 3D, or in 3D was open, but in plan you could control the swing to do whatever you want. So you in plan here, let's say you had another door right here. It happens. It's not the best of situations, but it happens.